Hi treasure finders! I'm finally back on the road today after a long bout with COVID. I've decided to voice over this first part of the video as the audio and video are unfortunately not very good. We were driving and the sun was bright and the car was noisy. I will pop in and out of the original video so you can hear my guests talk about our mission today, but I apologize in advance for the quality, and also the video quality when we visit the beach is also not great. My action camera likes to focus on the ground when I pick something up instead of focusing on the object in my hand, and it's especially challenging to see my screen when it's very bright out like on this day. Today I have my dear friend Marnie with me to treasure hunt. Marnie and I have been friends for, 50 years. She and I are both into everything nature, and where I'm obsessed with shells, she is obsessed with fossils. We both love to rock hunt and shark teeth hunt, and we both have collections of all of our finds at our home. So please enjoy our little beach hunt today. Despite the technical difficulties, I think you will enjoy it.
Hey treasure finders!
Hi.
This is my friend Marnie!
Hi treasure finders! We are gonna go see Aunt Joan. She is also a traveling treasure finder. She goes and she finds things on the beach. She walks the beach every day. She's in her 80s and she makes random fun things out of her treasures that she finds.
So I can't wait to see the art that she makes.
Yeah, there's some cool stuff. And today our quest is to track down some crinoids, which they look like little Cheerios on the beach.
Right?
They were called a
common name.
sea lily, so people all think that they're plants, but they're actually a living animal that has a stem, and then it has these tentacles that reach out to get their little plankton snacks. But when, fossils, they die over time. The sand covers them, and then the minerals from that sand harden these dead creatures, and that's what we're searching for today. And the last time that anyone saw these things that we're going to find was 488 million years ago.
Woo! So we're going to show you what we're looking for. She brought some samples. Marnie was a teacher, and you will see the little chart that she made. She didn't make it especially for us today.
It's for my second graders.
Maybe she did.
Well, I could have.
But it's just a timeline of the Earth, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Earth through time.
Geological timeline.
Yeah, and how we only lived on the Earth where the sticky part on your toilet paper is. That's human time on the Earth. Now you roll back the sheets, and there are not even enough sheets on that roll
I like that analogy.
to go back in time for how old our Earth is, which is, what are we at, 360 billion years old right now?
So we are going to head to Aunt Joan's place, do maybe a little studio tour.
Yeah, she's ready for you.
And then we're gonna head to the beach. There's several beaches down here in South Haven, and I don't know what we're gonna get to today, but we're gonna see what we can find. And it's a beautiful day in November.
Oh,
it's gonna be
gorgeous.
close to 70 today. Amazing.
It is. For Michigan, we'll take it.
So stay tuned and we'll see what we can find.
Past the trilobites.
What time? Oh
the
boy, where are we?
Precambrian.
Where's the sea lilies?
So they are about 400, and they're right in this area.
Okay.
488 million years ago.
We're dove fishing.
Yeah, we're going there.
We're going there today.
Yes,
in
we
South
are.
Haven. What era is this one from?
Oh, that is that's
something.
the microspirifer.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I think it's
Are
Precambrian.
you don't want this?
No, well, I have a
Your
couple,
collection.
so you go for it. So yeah, should I bring this?
Sasso bag.
Should I? Yeah, right here.
We can do a little lesson afterwards after what we
Sure.
found.
Okay.
Don't find anything down there because
Yeah.
I mean I picked them up all
that's
the
a nice-
time,
Mm-hmm.
and they're in different matrix.
Right.
This
yeah,
is
you
more
just
of
never
a
know.
mudstone
Yeah.
matrix,
Sand. Yeah.
and
Because
this
it
is
does.
something
The
else.
earth, it changes over time. She made these.
Oh my gosh.
Little creatures.
So you found all of the metal and stuff?
Yeah.
Fun.
Oh, I started picking stuff up because I didn't want to step on it.
Good plan. Solid plan.
Smart. Very smart. Ooh, look at all those.
I have to put them somewhere. And Jean said, Mom, you have to liberate some of your stones. And I said, well, no, I'm making things out of
I'm going to see.
So
To liberate them.
So
I totally understand.
when you were coming, so I had these out in the garage. These are brand new today.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, look at.
This is walnut ink that I made from walnut hulls.
I love doing
This beautiful color.
That's amazing.
And then using a stick and different sticks to draw.
Right.
And it just felt to me like I was feeling all these thought process going through your head and, you know, thinking about where the germs were.
Yeah.
And so I have a whole series of
Oh,
these.
that's
The COVID.
This is one of, this is one
And
of
you
the
used your mixed
best
media,
ones.
you know, you used
Sure.
your
A little
little bit of
collage
silver.
here.
Yep.
Yeah.
I love collage.
So here we have our 488 million year old crinoid, a stem embedded in the actual.
And
Dirt
there's
that more in
there.
here.
This is how I usually find them.
Yeah,
Like that,
usually
so.
that's what happens is that chunk
Well, then if you
of
look
rock.
really hard.
You will
Little
find.
These are my hugs. This is all my family.
Mhm.
I don't think Marnie's here. I have to add Marnie.
Oh, everybody has a.
I've only
Everybody
been
has.
in the family 31 years.
So you do have to have agreements with the people on the frontage to sit your chairs and your umbrellas. This is
Right, but you can walk the beach without, you know.
people think they own that to keep you off of it.
Yeah, I know, and that's not right. This is a private little section of beach, but we are allowed to walk the water line. Absolutely beautiful. What did you find?
I found a scary monster, but he's not that scary because he's smiling. I'm so trick or treat. Those are the segments of the stem.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's like the little legs. The
Yes, it reaches up and then its little flower is reaching for the plankton.
That's a nice
That's
one.
a good little.
Very nice sample you found.
All right, where is it?
Did you lose it, or are you making me find it?
I'm making you find it.
Okay.
It's hiding.
It's hiding. Is it in a rock, or is it?
Take a picture of it. Oh.
Oh my goodness, is that your first ride?
This. Hey, is this one, Marnie?
Yes! I love the color
That's
of that.
really cool.
too.
Yeah.
There it
I
is.
almost thought it was metal.
And
but-
you can put it on a necklace.
See what my guest is looking for today.
Pet rocks. I've been known
You're
to
petting them.
lick rocks. It's true, but there's treasures within.
There is.
You know, you talk about faces, and then it gets on your mind. Yeah, right? Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. Love it.
I found a mic.
What did you find?
Silver.
Oh my gosh.
Aluminum. Oh, stop it. I know. It's just better if we say
Yeah, it looks like silver.
it.
Okay, here is the wrap up from this is the trunk cam, as usual, the wrap up from our trip to South Haven. And what a fun beach, Marnie. Thank you. So
Sure.
these are the, oh, I forgot the crinoids in my pocket. Okay, so I got the crinoids out of my pocket. So these here are the little crinoid fossils in, what did you call these? In a,
She called it the Matrix.
in the matrix.
Yes, it's just fun to say.
The different matrix. And then individual crinoids right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is a poser. This actually isn't one. But
But
this
it
one
looked
is
like
here. And then some driftwood. And then, Marnie, what are these called again?
Septarian.
Septarian.
Yes.
Lightning stones
Yes.
also.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of people call them that. That's K for Chris.
K for Chris.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And
Kind of fun.
this, Marnie has a name for this as well, which is not an official geologic name, but
Not
you
at
call
all.
them
It's the Cave of Wonders.
the
'cause
Cave
you
of
look
Wonders.
Inside, there's crystals inside.
There's crystals in
It's
that
so
cave.
good. Yes.
And tons of glass. Some of it is not tumbled, and some of it is very well tumbled. And here's a little piece of safety glass with the wires running through it, and a couple of heart-shaped. This one is a stretch, a bit of a stretch for a heart-shaped stone.
We'll take
But and then just some random ceramics. I do like the ceramics for my art projects. And then Aunt Joan found this face. This crazy. We were talking about seeing faces in everything, and she finds this and she gave it to me. And literally gonna mount this on something because it's too great.
It'll be part of your audience.
It will be. I can add it to my audience downstairs. I have an audience. So, and this is what Marnie picked up. Marnie, do you want to tell me what you picked up?
I have a garden path, and I just love to step on these very smooth black stones. Something about it I find very healing. I don't know. They've
Healing.
got
You like to
this.
pet. She likes to pet
do. I like to
stones as
feel
well,
it.
which we've come
You
to
know,
find out.
we came on our quest to find a crinoid, and I was lucky enough to find one with its stem and then the tendrils coming out, which is
That
kind of a cool little
really
specimen.
cool. I've never seen anything like that.
Yeah, and then the hagstones, and this one's very haggard
Very
hagstone.
yeah.
That's correct. And then I have my Cave of Wonders collection over here with my little crystals inside. And the septarians, we've made it a quest to find the whole alphabet. But
Yep.
the P and the S stands on my table as the salt and pepper shaker, which really
Oh,
they're
that's
not.
awesome.
And then our little beach glass, you know, we came across a couple that just needed some more life, but I don't want to step on that if I'm there at the beach.
Yeah, you know, we talked about throwing it back, and she's a thrower backer, and I'm a recycler.
man.
So
But when I
I don't know. I
heard
might
about-
have guilted her into not throwing it back, but
Yeah.
she'll probably go back and throw it back.
And despite what Aunt Joan says, this is a true chunk of Michigan silver.
I think it is
Yes.
too. I think
So
it's a
we didn't
chunk.
find
She said it's aluminum, but
aluminum, but it feels like a rock.
it feels.
And then our
nice.
scary face it doesn't look so scary anymore.
He doesn't. He looked very scary
he
on the
did.
beach.
Now
but
he looks
not
just
so much.
happy.
Well, thank you for being my
Oh,
guest
thanks for
today.
having me. I feel so
and-
honored. Thank you.
And if you like this video, give us both a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you down the beach somewhere.